Are you an air traffic controller thinking about becoming one, or you are a hardcore aviation geek? If yes, you have come to the right place. Hello there, I'm Matti and welcome to Live and Let Fly, your prime destination for ATC and aviation. I've been an air traffic controller and ATC instructor for the past 20 years, and I'm here to share inside info about what air traffic controllers actually do. In this channel, we have content that is included in basic ATC training material, which is usually shared only with the trainees by the aviation academies. If you're thinking about applying to an ATC school or already studying in one, check out these videos to prepare for your exams. But wait! This channel is not only for air traffic controllers. If you're curious about aviation and want to know behind the scenes secrets, we explain a lot of things that you have been wondering about on your travels. Why is your flight delayed? Why does the airplane take off towards the east? Last week it was to the west. Why did the flight fly in circles before the approach and landing? Stick out and find out. You see, while there are many YouTube channels run by pilots, Live and Let Fly offers a unique opportunity to gain valuable information from an air traffic controller's perspective. All you have to do is subscribe, turn on the notifications, and enjoy the ride. You can begin your journey by watching this video.